welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a really easy recipe that comes together in no time. Chocolate chip zucchini bread. To get started, grate a medium zucchini on the fine side of your grater. We need 2 cups worth. Set the zucchini aside. To a large bowl, add 2 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 cup of sour cream. Give it a whisk until everything is combined. Now sift in 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir just until the flour starts to combine. Then add the zucchini and 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. Fold until everything is combined. Spray a loaf pan with cooking oil and add all the batter. Then top it with turbinado sugar to add a crunch to the top, but this is optional. Bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for around 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the loaf comes out clean. Let cool for 30 minutes in the pan, then flip over to release. Cut the loaf into slices while still warm or completely cooled. This chocolate chip zucchini bread came out so moist and delicious. I especially love a warm slice with butter. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.